ሄሎ ግራመር ስታርስ እንዴት ናችሁ? ኮሌክቲቭ ናውኖችን ምን ያህል እንደምታውቋቸው እንፈትሽ። ከኢዚ ሌቭል ጀምረን እስከ ኢምፖሲብል ሌቭል ድረስ እያንዳንዱ ሌቭል ላይ 5 ጥያቄዎች ይኖራሉ። መጨረሻ ላይ ከ20 ስንት እንደምታመጡ ኮሜንት ላይ ታስቀምጣላችሁ። እንጀምር። ኢዚ ሌቭል which one is correct? ትክክለኛው ምርጫ የቱ ነው? A herd of bees, a swarm of bees, a flock of bees. A school of fish, a bundle of fish, a pack of fish. A pride of lions, a troop of lions, a crowd of lions. A stack of birds, a flock of birds, a batch of birds. A colony of wolves, a fleet of wolves, a pack of wolves. Good job. Now let's go to medium level. A troop of monkeys, a brood of monkeys, a pod of monkeys. A fleet of ships, a bunch of ships, a stack of ships. A stack of cards, a bundle of cards, a deck of cards. A troop of singers, a choir of singers, a band of singers. A brood of puppies, a troop of puppies, a litter of puppies. Very good. Now it gets harder. A parliament of owls, a skulk of owls, a business of owls. An army of crows, a murder of crows, a troop of crows. A caravan of camels, a husk of camels, a drift of camels. A knot of snakes, a nest of snakes, a gaggle of snakes. A chest of drawers, a chain of drawers, a bunch of drawers. Perfect. Finally, impossible level. A smack of jellyfish, a cloud of jellyfish, a shoal of jellyfish. A pod of dolphins, a kindle of dolphins, a shiver of dolphins. A shiver of giraffes, a cackle of giraffes, a tower of giraffes. A pride of leopards. A leap of leopards. A mob of leopards. A wisdom of tigers. A busk of tigers. A streak of tigers. በጣም አሪፍ። ከ20 ስንቱን አገኛችሁ? ሁላችሁም ኮሜንት ዩር ስኮር። ለተጨማሪ ኢንግሊሽ ግራመር ኩዊዞች ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ። ሲ ዩ ኢን ዘ ኔክስት ቪዲዮ